In this video, we're going to be looking at ordered and unordered lists in HTML. First, we're going to begin with an ordered list. Ordered lists are a way to add a list of items to our website, which is numbered. The first item in the list by default will have a number 1 to the left, and so on for each item in our list. To create an ordered list, we use the OL element. So let's go back over to our text editor and add this in here. Just underneath the text which we added from previous videos, I'm going to begin by opening the OL tags. This is effectively a wrapper or a container for list items. We add items to our list using the LI element. Then we can add the name of each item which we want to add between the opening and closing tags. So I'm going to create a list of foods which I like. So we have pizza, that should be LI, close it off, and then we'll add curry, and then one more. Let's go for Mexican, and then give it a save. And in fact, we'll just add a title at the very top, which we can add in a level 3 heading of my favorite foods. So give that a save, and then go over to the browser and hit reload. And we can see our numbers of 1, 2, 3 to the left of each list item. So this is how an ordered list looks by default, using the numbers on the left hand side. We can change this by adding the type attribute to the opening tag of the ordered list. So add type into there. So to begin, we can add the number 1. This is default and this is the numbers which we currently see. So refreshing won't cause any changes to our list. We can change this to be a uppercase A. And this will give us uppercase letters instead of the numbers. So we'll have A, B, C, and so on. If we want this to be lowercase, all we need to do is change this to be a lowercase a, and this will be changed for us. We also have the option for Roman numerals. We can use the uppercase I, and this is uppercase Roman numerals. And also we can change this to the lowercase with the lowercase I. And refresh, and we see these all change to lowercase Roman numerals. If we don't want to use any of these, we can change this to be an unordered list. Changing this is simple. All we need to do is change OL to be UL, and also down at the bottom too. Save that, and then reload. We now have none of these numbers which we've seen before. Instead, we have a bullet for each list item. We also have the option to change this bullet or this disk with CSS. We can go over to our unordered list and add the style attribute. Inside of here, the property we need to change is list style type. So we can use the default, which is disk, or we have some various options which you can see here, such as circle, and semicolon at the end. Refresh, and now we have a hollow circle with the outline. There's also various options such as square, which gives us a square to the left of each item, or we can completely remove any styling by setting this to be none, just like we can see here. Unordered lists are also often used for creating navigation menus too. When we see websites with links such as About Us, Contact Us, and Home, for example, these are usually added using unordered lists. They may look different to what we see here, but this is just because the styling has been changed using CSS.